Hello everyone, welcome to Vysh IAS YouTube channel and to the Plums MCQ series. In this episode, that is episode number 160, we are going to deal about MCQs related to CSAT math aptitude and reasoning. So as part of Vysh IAS Plums series, on daily basis 5 MCQs will be dealt regarding different subjects. So if you practice the right way with us, no one can stop you from clearing the exam. If you need the regular updates from our channel, kindly click the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon. Now let's solve MCQ number 1. Among Anil, Bibek, Preetham, Deebu, Ishwar, Ishwar is taller than, so taller or shorter. Here again the other data is about thinner or fatter, so thinner or fatter. Let's write two datums. Okay. Initially they gave Ishwar is taller than Deebu. Ishwar is taller than Deebu. Preetham is taller than Anil. Preetham is taller than Anil, but shorter than Bibek. Okay. Anil is fatter than Deebu. Anil is fatter than Deebu. Anil is fatter than Deebu, but not as fat as Bibek. But Anil is not as fat as Bibek. Okay. So Bibek is fatter of all the three. Ishwar is thinner than Preetham. Ishwar is thinner than Preetham. Who is thinner than Deebu? Okay. Preetham is also thinner than Deebu. Ishwar is shorter than Anil. Ishwar is shorter than Anil. Okay. Who is the thinnest person? So we don't need this data. The taller and shorter data is something which we don't need because they're asking only about thinnest person. So if you compare this and this thing, what you can do? So here D is common. Okay. If D is common, here in this particular thing, in the second equation that we have written, D is greater than P is greater than E. So it means in this E, P and D, D is fatter. Okay, D is fatter. So D is, so we can write the data in this way. So as D is fatter, D is greater than P, P is greater than E. Who is the thinnest? E. E is the thinnest person. E is nothing but Ishwar. So Ishwar, that is option D, is correct answer for question number 1. Now let's solve MCQ number 2. A survey shows that 61%, 46% and 29% of the people watched Dangal, Bahubali and Sultan movies respectively. 25% people watched exactly two of the 3 movies and 30% watched none. What percentage of people watched all the 3 movies? So here we are writing the data. So let's take the number of people who watched exactly one movie as A. Okay, as A. And the number of people who watched exactly 2 movies as B, and number of people who watched exactly 3 movies as C. So they have given that total of 3 people did not watch the movie out of 100%, 3%, that is 3% has watched none. So if you take that there are total 100 members, 3 persons did not watch the movie, that is 97. Okay, so total who watched 1 movie is A, who watched 2 movies is B, total who watched 3 movies is C, is equal to 100 minus 3, that is 97 people are A plus B plus C. And the other condition given is exactly 2 people watched, exactly 25% people watched exactly 2 movies and 3 movies. 25% people watched exactly 2 of the 3 movies and 3% watched none. Okay, so how many watched 2 of the 3 movies? 25% people have watched 2 out of the 3 movies. Okay, and the other data which is given in the first statement is a survey shows that 61% watched Dangal, 46% watched Bahubali and 29% watched Sultan. It means that A plus, okay, B, the person B's watched 2 movies each and C watched 3 movies each. A plus 2B plus 3C is equal to 61 plus 46 plus 29. So this will be the second equation. So that is what we have written over here. That is A plus 2B plus 3C is equal to 136, and option equation number 1 is a plus b plus c is equal to 97. If you subtract this both equation, we'll get it as b plus 2c is equal to 39. It is given that b is equal to 25%. That is the number of person who watched exactly 2 movies are nothing but 25 people. It is what given in the question. So b plus 2c is equal to 39. You know the b value, so you can easily find out the c value. That we have got 7 as the c value. That means 7% people have watched all the 3 movies. So 7%, that is option D, is the correct answer. Now let's solve MCQ number 3. In how many ways can 21 identical books on literature and 19 identical books on nature be placed in a row on a shelf so that books on nature may not be together? So if you initially arrange the books on the literature, in between the books of the literature there are 22 places that are left out. For example, if you are arranging 3 books in a row, it means that there are 4 places, 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 places which are left out, 1, 2, 3, 4. It means that if you arrange 21 identical books, there are 22 places that are left out. So in this 22 places we can arrange this nature books. So in 22 places we can arrange this 19 books in order to be not together. They cannot be together if they are arranged in this way. So 22C19, that is 22C3. That is 22 into 21 into 20 by 1 into 2 into 3. If you calculate this, we'll get the answer. 2 ones are 2 tens are. Okay. 3 ones are 3 sevens are. 7 tens are 70. 70 into 22. Okay. 7 twos are 14. 7 twos are 14, 15. Okay. 1540 is the correct answer. Option number C is the correct answer. Now let's solve MCQ number 4. In an examination, 1100 boys and 900 girls appeared. 40% of the boys and 50% of the girls passed the examination. The percentage of candidates who failed. Okay, let's write the data. Boys and girls. Okay, there are 1100 boys and 900 girls. So if you take 40% of the boys and 50% of the girls passed the examination, it means 60% of the boys did not pass the exam. So let's calculate the failed people data. Okay, 60% of the boys did not pass the examination. 60 get 100 gets cancelled. 11 6 is 66, that is 660. Okay, 660 failed the examination. If 50% girls passed the examination, 50% might have failed. 100 gets cancelled. 9 for 45, 450. 450 plus 660 is nothing but 1100. Okay, 1100. So out of this 2000, what percentage is 1100? Okay, if you calculate this, out of 2000, what percentage is 1100? Okay, zeros and zeros get cancelled. 0 and 0 get cancelled. 110 by 2. That is nothing but 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. That is 55%. Okay, that is option number D is the correct answer. Now let's solve MCQ number 5. In the arrangement P2, 6, M, 9, K, S4, B7, the positions of the first and sixth elements are interchanged, and those of the second and seventh are interchanged, and so on. Then which of the following will be the fourth element from the left end in the arrangement? Okay, let's write the data. P2, 6M, 9K, P2, 6M, 9K, S4, V7. So this is the arrangement which is given in the question. The positions of first and the sixth element. Okay, this is first, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this and this are interchanged. So K and P. And the second and the seventh, that is 2 and S, are interchanged, and so on. Okay, 6 and 4 are interchanged, that is 4 and 6. M and V are interchanged, V and M. 9 or 7 are interchanged, so 7 and 9. Then which of the following will be the fourth element from the left end in the new arrangement? So which is the fourth one from the left hand? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is V. V is the correct answer for question number 5. Okay, that is option number D. So that is it for today's video. In the next episode, that is tomorrow, we'll discuss daily 5 MCQs again from different subject by different teacher. So until then, please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned.